Here's our little tree. This is the same tree we got last year. We got it at Kmart because the Kmart in Ohio was closing down, and so we got it for 20 bucks. All right, here's our Christmas tree. It's so pretty. Putting up all of the Christmas decorations, and don't mind me, I'm like breaking out in hives. I forgot to take my allergy medicine last night, so that's why I'm breaking out. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what we put up. I was gonna film it, but it was a little bit boring, and like I was putting things in different places. So I'm really happy with how it turned out this year. I really wish I would have recorded it last year. But let's go ahead and see what our house looks like in 2018 for Christmas. So this is how I did the dining room. Don't mind that the sign says Happy Fall. I have to change that. But I went ahead and got these little placemats from Home Goods. Super cute, and you can like reverse them. And then I got this little tray, and it says Home Sweet Home. I got that at Walmart. I put out some other stuff I already had. And then we got this nativity scene last year at Hobby Lobby. And then I just put a few little Christmassy things. My friend Kendra made that. I'm not sure if she watches my videos, but she made that one year. I bought it from her at her craft show. And that's like a little ornament that doesn't have a place for an ornament. Devin's mom got us last year, but this little guy. How do you keep puppies away from Christmas trees? Let me know, because he's already tried to eat it, so. Anyways, walking through this way, don't mind it. Our house is kind of like a mess right now. Devin's like putting stuff away. Let's see. So this is what the living room looks like. We like moved it around. I actually really like how we did it. So we moved our ottoman over here. That's just like a pillow. And then we got this little thing. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture of it at Target in the dollar spot. They still have them. They have different kinds too, but we don't have a place to hang our stockings. So we got one for Sherman this year. We got all of our stockings at Hobby Lobby. And then this little thing, I think my mom got us last year. So cute. This is our Christmas tree. I love it this year. So this is our Christmas tree. We used everything that we used last year. We got the skirt, I think, at Hobby Lobby. Ornaments are from Walmart. And then our little special ornaments are just from family. Actually, I wanted to show you guys. I showed it to you earlier, but this was our first Christmas ornament we got at a mall on Black Friday in 2014. That was our first Christmas together. But we have some really sweet ornaments. I showed you guys those earlier. My camera is like not focusing because of the lights. But the only other couple little things I have are this little snowman. And then Devin has this little bobblehead of a Steelers Santa. Sherman is sitting next to my pillow I got at Hobby Lobby last year. No, it does not mean I'm having a baby. It's just from a song. And then, oh, down here I have a little thing. It says, "I'm so merry I can't stand it." I think I got that at TJ Maxx. I also have this little, like, snowman. And then...
Hey, what's up? Are you vlogging? Be in it.
Yeah.
Woo! Sherman Worm, dude. We out here. We're about to go see Creed 2. We'll let you know if it's good or not.
AJ just busted up my vlog here.
Sorry, guys.
A little boy in my class in Ohio, his mom made me this for Christmas. It just has my last name on it and a little thing. I don't know where I'm going to put that, though. And then I have this little bucket. Don't know where I'm going to put that either. And then... I have just like a couple little dish towels. And then the only other thing I have really is my little sign I got at the Target dollar spot. It says "All is calm and bright." And then I put like a new candle out. That's pretty much it. I put some Mrs. Meyer's Christmas scents out. Sherman, my goodness, nobody wants to listen to you bark on my video. All right, guys, so we finished doing everything for Christmas. Devin is putting some stuff away out in the garage, and I thought I would just go ahead and end the video here. I can't record us because you're so much taller than me. Can you hold
really.
it?
I'm like 5'8".
Okay. What do you have to say?
It was a fun day. It's gonna be interesting with Sherman.
And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Hey.